Welcome back to Harris Tech everyone. Today we have some new information from Ice Universe about the P50 Pro and the Tab S8 from Samsung. He says the Tab S8 Plus will be released with the S22 and will have One UI 4.0, a 10,090 mAh battery, but it's not the best. There is an Ultra, and says I won't say it first, let's wait and see. He also released the battery specs of the S8 Plus and the S8 Ultra, which is 10,090 mAh as you know from the previous one, and the Ultra is 11,500 mAh, which is great. And now here we are, Ice Universe retweeted a tweet from Ishan Agarwal and he put good. And Ishan Agarwal put the P50 Pro will have a 6.6 inch OLED, 120Hz with 2700 by 1228p or 450 ppi at 300Hz touch sampling rate and 1440Hz PW dimming. It's also 158.8mm tall, 72.8mm wide, so not too wide, and 8.3mm thick. He says the camera is a 50 megapixel main, but he doesn't specify whether it's 1 inch or not, so we'll have to wait till tomorrow to see. I'll have a 64 megapixel 3.5 times optical zoom telescope and a 40 megapixel apparently time of flight, which sounds completely useless for time of flight, 40 megapixels, and a 30 megapixel ultra wide. And it says on the website in the link he put in underneath the text they will have 100 times digital zoom, but coming from that it's a 64 megapixel camera at 3.5 times optical zoom. It will be absolutely terrible because the Samsung S20 was 4 times optical zoom of 48 megapixels and that turned out rubbish as well. And so that's all the news for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.